Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Binance account, and we will also see how we can earn crypto and grow our crypto on Binance. So let's get started with it. Go to Google and search for Binance and then click on the first link, and after it opens click on register. Since you are a complete beginner, click on register. And here Binance provides us with different options to register. We can use our phone, our email, Google or Apple ID. So let's click on sign up with phone and email. And here provide your personal details and then click on personal account. After setting up your account, log into your account using your details. So after logging into your account, you will see this screen. Then on the left side, you will see list. Click on security because we need to make sure that our account is secure. So first of all, click on security and enable different authentications for your account so no one else can access your assets. So after enhancing the security of your account, click on identification. And here get yourself verified for additional features from Binance, and for that you will require to do KYC, provide your personal information, and it might also involve facial recognition. Follow these steps so you can enjoy all the features from Binance. Now let's see how we can set up a payment gateway for our Binance account so we can purchase cryptos. Go to your account on top right corner, then click on dashboard, and here on the left side you will be able to see payment. Click on it. There are different payment methods. You can utilize them according to your convenience. After adding them, you will be able to buy crypto, and that's the purpose of Binance account, to hold crypto, buy crypto and to grow crypto. And here you can also see referral, and using this feature of Binance you can share your referral ID and earn additional benefits from Binance. All you have to do is just copy this link and share it with your friends and family, and anyone on internet joins using your link, you will get benefits for it. Binance also gives you different tasks and you can complete these tasks to get rewards, and this is how the task center look like. There will be different tasks for you. Just complete them on time, otherwise they can expire. So after completing them you can go to reward center and redeem your rewards, and that's how you earn rewards on Binance. Now let's move forward to other Binance features. On the top right corner you can select the currency of your choice and also your language, and you can also change the theme of your Binance account. We will explore the wallet and orders after a while. Let's check the top left corner first, and here you can see different options. Like if we come to exchange, then we can see different charts for different pairs, and here click on search, then select the pair of your choice and you can see the chart of it. And then you can also buy and sell crypto from here. The current market price is shown on the left hand side and also on the top, and you can also change this chart form easily to daily or 15-minute candles, and you can also set technical indicators by clicking here. Now let's explore other options. Let's explore only the important options. So in the launchpad option you can see the cryptos that will be listed on Binance in future, and Binance gives a chance to earn that crypto in advance. So you can do that using launchpad. And Binance gift card is when you want to send crypto to someone else, you can use this Binance gift card feature. And on the academy you can learn about different crypto and blockchain related terms. And on the learn and earn feature you can earn free crypto by just completing different courses and answering different quizzes. And on the research tab you can learn about different cryptos, about their functions and what these cryptos do, about their tokenomics and everything related to that crypto. Let's see how it works. Suppose you want to know about XRP, then we can go on search and type in XRP. And here you can see everything about XRP, the 24-hour volume, the charts, what XRP is, how it is used, and almost everything about XRP. So that's how you can enhance your crypto research before investing in crypto. Now let's see other options, and on the buy crypto you can see different ways to buy crypto, and it could be with bank deposits or debit card, credit card, P2P trading. And in this trading you can purchase USDT or other cryptos using your bank balance or UPI IDs. So there are plenty of ways to purchase crypto on Binance. You can use them accordingly. And on the markets, let's click on it. you will see the list of cryptos available for you. You can invest in them according to your research. And here you will see new listing, new cryptos that got listed on Binance and the top gainers and other lists. So in this section, you can also segregate cryptos according to your interest of investment. Like you can see metaverse related cryptos by just clicking on metaverse. And in the same way, you can see gaming related cryptos. So it becomes quite easy to invest in different cryptos according to your interest. Now let's move on. And when you go on trade, there will be different options like Binance Convert, Spot, Margin. So basically on Binance Convert, you can convert one crypto to another. So let's check it out. Just select the cryptos of your choice. Suppose I want BNB to be converted into BTC. I will select BNB on upper side and BTC on lower side. Then type in the amount and click on preview conversion. Then I will be able to convert BNB into BTC. And that's how you convert crypto on Binance. Now let's explore other options. And on the spot, it is the basic market where you can go and buy and sell your crypto. Like I explained it earlier on the exchange option, it is the same one. So here you can do all the transactions related to purchase and sell. Now let's explore further, and please avoid any type of trading on Binance, be it margin trading, strategy trading, or futures or options, because until and unless you have the knowledge of trading, only then go for it. Otherwise, due to lack of knowledge, you might lose all your funds, and yes, even 100% of your capital might be at risk. So please avoid trading at any cost in the beginning. Now let's explore the earn section. And this one is quite interesting. Here you can earn crypto, you can grow your crypto. Let's explore this. Click on Binance Earn. And here are different ways to earn crypto. Like you can earn using protected methods, which are not that much risky. And in the high yield, you can earn, but there is risk involved into it. So make sure that you study it before investing. Suppose you have AXS token, you can stake it for 90 days and get 76 APR. But in case you withdraw your amount before 90 days, your interest on the principal will also get lost. So you need to keep your amount invested for 90 days. And when you participate in the flexible staking, then you can withdraw your amount whenever you feel like, and the interest earned on your staking will still be with you and will not get lost. So this is the major difference between the fixed staking and the flexible staking. And here are different options. All you have to do is just click on popular coins, or you can search for coins that you want to invest in or stake your crypto. So that's how you earn crypto on Binance. Now let's see finance. And in the finance, you will see crypto loans. You can take loan using the crypto in your account. The crypto in your account will be kept as a collateral, so you can get loan in your desired crypto. And on the Binance Pay, you can send your crypto to any other person who is also on Binance. You can also pay a merchant using your Binance account through Binance Pay. And on Binance Card, as I have said earlier, it can be used to gift your crypto to someone else. Now let's explore our wallet, and here click on Overview. So our wallet is divided into different categories like fiat and spot, funding, cross margin, isolated. So in order to do your general buying and purchasing of cryptos and converting them, you need to have these cryptos into your spot wallet. And if you want to do futures and other margin tradings, then you need to shift your funds into different wallets like in futures. Now let's see how we can withdraw or deposit cryptos. So we just saw that how we can buy. Now let's see how we can send our crypto to someone else. All you have to do is just select the crypto of your choice that you want to send. And suppose I want to send BNB to someone else, I would just go here and click on withdraw. Then get this address from the person who you want to send your crypto to and copy paste that address here. Suppose I want to send this crypto to my MetaMask wallet, so I will just open up my MetaMask wallet, and here I will go on smart chain, and here I will just copy this address from MetaMask and paste it over on Binance. And I will just fill up the amount that I want to withdraw and click on withdraw. And that's how you withdraw your crypto from your Binance account. Now let's see how we can deposit our crypto. Now this time, instead of clicking on withdraw, we will click on deposit, and here we will select the network, which is, make sure that you always keep these networks same for the receiver and the sender. And here we will keep this BP20. So we will get this address, then copy this address and click on send on MetaMask and just paste it up. And that's how you can send crypto to your Binance account. And you can do it yourself from other exchanges, or you can share your address to someone else and they can also send crypto to you. So that's how you use Binance. I hope this video was helpful, and if you still need any help, you can comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.